Hello everyone, what's going on? Vitai Devin is here. Welcome back to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. And after we've seen the market has crashed, Bitcoin went below $50,000, just like I said in the previous couple of streams, that we are here climbing back and climbing back very quickly. Some of the altcoins are outperforming with 20-30% move on the upside. Is like a rubber band that is creating an epic rise. And let's take a look at what is driving the market up and when we can see new all-time highs. Let's get right into it. So we can see a lot of the coins today I'm up with the dog which had is absolutely ripping today with 26% on the upside. It's an outlier today on the market. Looking at Bitcoin, this broadening wedge right here, and we start to climb back right now at $57,500. Looking on the weekly, creating an absolutely amazing candle over here with the hammer. So what is likely here, if we're going to close the week in 4 days from now below above $59,000, then it's going to be epic. We're still in the range, we're still here chopping it forward, and we are going to analyze exactly when we're going to hit the new all-time high. So far it's looking very good. Now it may come back here in the next 1-2 days in the middle of the range to $54,000 for the very last time and before ripping through it, or may not, but chances are we are going to get. But look at the size of the swing, look at the shakeout. The shakeout is massive. So what is driving the market up? So number one, the Bank of Japan deputy governor pledges refrain from further rate hikes. So remember, we thought, what's the reason for this collapse in the market? Is the Bank of Japan raised the interest rates for the first time in many years, and that was caused the situation where people borrowing the money at 0% interest rates, investing them in the stocks market and other risk on assets, and now the Bank of Japan raised interest rate. They sold the stocks, and everybody was shaking out, very afraid to. The Japanese yen went through the roof, and that's what caused the collapse. The Black Swan event of 2024, and we discussed how it is similar to what happened during the COVID in March 2024. The similarities are absolutely tremendous, how similar it is, right? Same what the Black Swan of 2024 what we're seeing right now and what was during the COVID, right? The stock market collapsed, the volatility was through the roof, and then the printer kicks in. And talking about the printer, this is the second thing that is going to and taking the market up right now, is the United States to commence its Treasury buyback program ahead of the Federal Reserve rate cut. So the rate cut probability is now increased to basically 100% chance they're going to cut the rates of the interest in September, the next meeting, and chances are they're going to do it at 50% or even 0.75 points, right? So this buyback claims to purchase $50 billion worth of Treasury securities each month. So this is very good news, of course, for the market. This is another good news why the market is reaping today, is no more increase from the Bank of Japan. And we have the Morgan Stanley tells wealth advisors they can pitch Bitcoin ETFs in the first at first for a big bank, and they already start doing that. And just to understand, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and MicroStrategy sold 0 Bitcoin. They hold a lot of Bitcoin. Despite the crash, they actually bought, they actually accumulated. So according to Rec Capital, Bitcoin will need to weekly close about $59,000 later this week to perform a successful reclaim of the bottom of the black channel, as support in an effort to confirm a return into the pattern, right? So it's $200,000 Bitcoin incoming. We will see, but let's take a look at JP Morgan says institution bought the dip while retail panic sold aggressively. The retail investors, the small guys, they sold $1 billion, but institutions, they bought $14 billion, right? It's crazy. Who panic sold? Not the institutions. So Following the Bank of Japan, the Nikkei, the stock market of Japan rebounding, Bitcoin is rebounding, everything is looking great, looking back into the zone. According to Peter Brand, the price history of Bitcoin halving cycles, current post-halving correction is similar to 2015-2017, when we have seen a 27% correction decline post-halving, and it took 24 weeks to new cycle. So far, we have seen 16 weeks basically from from those highs. So the high is $73,800. So it gives us around 8 weeks, and we're gonna get to the all-time high, to the next all-time high. Okay, so this is incredible, guys. So it means what, in October, in the beginning of October, we're gonna see Bitcoin hitting new all-time high. This is incredible. Okay, so Morgan Stanley greenlights its 15,000 brokers to recommend Bitcoin ETFs to their clients. Mass adoption is happening. So that's a short and sweet update. So right now in the markets, you can be looking at SOL is very, very, very strong. It's stronger than Ethereum, it's stronger than Bitcoin. It's super strong. Look at this week. Look at this candle over here. Solana is reaping through. So Solana and Solana ecosystem rebounding the hardest to the upside, and that's a good sign. It means that Solana, I can see it trading later on this year way above the previous all-time high. This is the time to accumulate more Solana right now. Last chance before it is too late. And Solana is reaping through. This is one of these coins that I'm accumulating. I'm buying more. Solana is amazing to buy. If you didn't catch the dip yesterday, oh my gosh, $120 Solana. It's crazy. So that's a little update for you. So right now, what to expect for the price of Bitcoin. The CME gap is open at about $59,000-$60,000. It's looking to be closed very, very soon over here, and we might see a little bit of a range in market. What is a range in market? Is a little bit like this. It's going to be sideways for a couple of days and then ripping through 60K. If you're going to close the week, the next 4 days, if we're going to close it above $59,000, then it's going to be a very, very, very good sign for Bitcoin. And on to recovery, we have 8 weeks to hit the new all-time highs on the Bitcoin. So there it goes. There is for you a short update about the state of the market. And for those of you who want to fully automate your trading, if you want to completely leave it to the professional, the pros, know when to buy and when to sell, and how you can outsource it completely to the artificial intelligence to take advantage of this market and making gains, then comment below this video, let me know, reach out, I have a strategy that I can hook you up to, that you can do it stress-free as well, as an option for you. I'll see you guys in the next video.